Hey guys, welcome to this video, and today I've been mixing these slimes together. Just say that's just powder because I put powder on it. It smells. So yeah, let's go mixing this one together and then mixing this one together. See what colour it turns out to be like. Hopefully it turns out like, I want it to be like a blackish, brownish colour. I don't know why, but it's super hard to make. Hopefully it turns out like a good colour, but at the same time, a dark colour. I don't know why I want a dark colour. I just want a dark colour. I don't know if there's a problem with that, or it stays green. That's what colour it is now. Like greenish, like orange. I put green and orange together and it's turning like Coca-Cola brown. That's what colour it's turning out now. Make sure you go and subscribe to Jake Paul. And FaZe Rug, if you haven't subscribed to them. And Ben Phillips. They're my 3 favourite YouTubers. Ben Phillips, Jake Paul, and and FaZe Rug. FaZe Rug does all different kind of things, most likely in the haunted tunnels. It came on my mouth. What else did I do? Yeah, FaZe Rug is for doing like haunted tunnels and everything. Ben Phillips just pranks on his brother, and Jake Paul just messes up his house. And it's really weird. And does weird things. And he got a new dog. And yeah. Ben Phillips is probably the most funniest. Yeah, that's how it turns out, this colour. So yeah, that is my slime mixed together. Make sure you go and check out the channel with my box of slimes. I mean, not the channel, my video. This slime and this slime. I absolutely love them. It's an ASMR slime. Video. I've got that one. And I've got this one. This one's, I don't know, but I think this one might be the best ASMR one. I have not checked over the video yet, but I am going to upload it in 4 hours. So yeah, see you guys. Peace. Bye.